Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
तो आप देख सकते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स दे हैव गॉट मेटल लेग्स। अब आप इसको देख रहे हैं, ये एक एलईडी है, तो ये मेटल लेग्स, ये जो इसकी टांगे हैं मेटल की बनी हुई हैं, इनको क्या कहते हैं हम? इनको लीड्स कहते हैं। जो लॉन्ग मेटल लेग्स हैं इनको लीड्स कहते हैं। या एक इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट है तो इसमें भी जो मेटल लेग्स हैं साइज इसका छोटा है, तो इसको हम क्या कह देते हैं? पिन्स। इसको लीड्स कह देंगे, इसको क्या कह देंगे? पिन्स। तो ये इसके कितने हैं? इस इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट के 7 पिन्स हैं दोनों साइड्स पे, तो ये टोटल 14 है, ठीक है। तो नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट समथिंग कॉल्ड इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स। दे आर मेड अप ऑफ सेवरल कंपोनेंट्स सच एज रेजिस्टर्स, कैपेसिटर्स, डायोड्स, इंडक्टर्स एंड ट्रांजिस्टर्स। इनको हम बिल्ड करते हैं एक small single block or chip पे of a semiconductor. All of them work together to perform a particular task. For example, this is an AND gate IC. AND gate IC का नंबर होता है 7408. This is a 7408 IC. So IC is easily breakable, so to be attached to a circuit board, it is often housed in a plastic package with metal pins. This is the logic symbol of an AND gate. If you are an electronics student, you must be knowing that different gates are represented by different logic symbols. So this is one for the AND gate, and this is the corresponding truth table, which is a table which lists all possible combinations of input variables and the corresponding outputs. This is the Boolean expression for the output of an AND gate, which can be written as that the Y output is equal to A dot P, which is the product of input A and input B. So this is the logic symbol where A and B are the inputs and the output is the product of the inputs. So this is the pin diagram of an AND gate IC, which is 7408, and you can see that the pins marked 1 to 14 have different functions. 7th pin is always grounded and the external voltage is applied to the 14th pin. So this comes with a quad package. Quad means 4. So this, as you can see, they are 4 AND gates and each is having 2 inputs and 1 output. Integrated chips employ a notch or a dot to denote the first pin. Subsequent pins rise consecutively in a counterclockwise way around the chip after the first pin is identified. And I asked one of my students to study and verify the truth table of AND logic gate. So this means that LED won't glow for the above 3 cases and only for the single case where both the inputs are high, the LED will show its output. This means that in an AND gate, the LED will glow only when each one of its input is at logic 1 state. One important precaution in this case should be that कि जो LED आपने use की है, you should have used a resistor to limit the forward current, the LED current. This was how you can study and verify the truth table for the AND gate IC, wherein you employed the output of an LED. The LED glows for a logic state 1 and it doesn't glow when the logic state is 0. So likewise, you have different types of logic gates. Similarly, the pin diagrams will also vary. For example, in the NOT gate, you have only one input and the one output corresponding to that, and the representations of the ICs, for example, the numbers of the IC numbers will also vary, and the corresponding truth tables, the logic symbols and the Boolean expressions will also vary for different logic gates. So if you know the pin diagram of a logic gate, the truth tables for any logic gate can be realized and verified. So do let me know if you are interested in the topic for logic gates. We can always create a separate video wherein we'll exclusively study about logic gates only. So I think that was enough for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, do not forget to take really good care of yourselves. Bye bye.